You know this one? What TikTok one do you know this?
The Jamaican TikTok.
Ready? I go round and round. Hey, 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 circle. Hey, bigger circle. Bigger circle.
No one is serving me. How long should I wait? Hi guys, welcome. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing. And subscribe. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I want to give a big shout out to the boys. They call themselves Sons of Soho. I mean, it's just the title, Sons of Soho. For their back to school in my community of Soho St. Thomas. I know I'm giving you a shout out because sorry I couldn't be there, but I saw the snip that you're calling me out. But you know what? You're doing a good job, and who knows, maybe next year I'll be there. But you know what? Keep up the good work, guys. Hey guys, wagwan, happy Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. I did a bit of different thing this week. I uploaded my video this Friday, so I did a vlog for Friday, so I stopped at Thursday because I don't want my video to be too long, but let's see how this one goes. So as you can see, I put on just a little bit of makeup, not too much, because I'm gonna test this theory. I like my own company, as I said many times before, but I do like to go out with people. So today I'm gonna test the theory. I was at home, I'm like a little bit bored because nothing to do and stuff like that, because I'm on holiday. So I said, you know what, let me go out for, I think lunchtime is gone, so my brunch by myself and see how it goes. So I've got I did all the prep already, so let me go put on my clothes, and when I put on my clothes I'll show you what I'm gonna wear, and then guess what, I'll take you with me, because guess what, I guess it's you my company. So this is my outfit. I've got an oversized jacket with my jean shorts and my brown Adidas with my brown top and my bag. So it's single, what you call it, solo date.
Hello, miss. You look pretty precious.
I wanted to go to Slur, but that is closed. So the next thing is, or the next place is Shrimp Shack. Is that low? It's right there. Or I can go to Roots, but I don't know. Let me go to Shrimp Shack because guess what? There is no waiting.
I've looked for it.
You're right. Can I have the 15
sauce you want?
I want a house sauce. Can I have the creamy mac and chips, please?
Anything else?
Yeah, can I have a soft drink? A Fanta.
Anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
It's 26.50.
Okay. Yeah. I'm on my solo date, and you know what? It's not bad. It's cool. Solo for me. Dinner is served. this is to take home. I am so stuffed. I'm good. My solo date was in May. My belly. Hi guys, I just came back from my solo date and guess what? It was amazing. I will do it again. Now I know I really love my own company. So I don't need anyone to be with all the time. I can just do it by myself. I mean, people was looking because I was by myself and they were with their family, but it's okay. I do have a family too. I just wanted to do it by myself today. No friends, no family. It is what it is. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Summertime. Hey. Anyway, peace. Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Saturday. It's so nice to be off at home on a Saturday. Don't have to think about work or nothing. Now I'm getting ready to go to my girls' Netty family and friends fun day at the park. I'm looking forward for it to be a lovely day because the weather is, it's giving outside. I'm not gonna lie, it's giving, but I'm dressed as comfortable as always, and I've got a whole heap of crap I'm going with. So, you know, you have to take your drinks and stuff like that. But you know, and your food, other people taking stuff. So I guess it's like a share thing. But I've got these crap on the floor, that there to pack, and then I've got my umbrella and I've got my chair. It's better you take more to me than you take less, because you know what, I don't want to be hot in this weather. I don't want to be, my skin, I've got a suntan already. I was born with it. So let me take out the ice out of the freezer, and then let me get ready because everyone is on their way. Hey, get it. See you at the park. be a leader.
If I don't have this feeling,
Leader, blessed and flow like a river. Hey, what they say? Give me some chance here. Stand up. Waiting for more people.
Three sardine and 1 pound of rice from shop. And in the room when we get chased by cops and the Mac and the onion drop.
I know I'm making no. I may know I'm struggle feel. I may know I'm pussy them. I may know I'm fucking real. I make them treat me and kill me. No way, there must be blood that man. Look for Antoinette. Look for Antoinette with his sippy cup. Show me your sippy cup. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, eat and run. Yeah, eat and run. Tell him Antoinette. My youth, hey.
Give my space, give my room, give my liquor breeze. Now Jesus.
Your part? You depend on, I mean, you like support me, so you depend on room. Of course.
Look at your face. This is cute.
look at
Just have to give it time.
Incoming on.
Yeah.
Your long grandpa.
What you say? Sippy cup couldn't hold your mouth.
The wickedest one. The wickedest one we get.
Yeah.
Next time I'm in a happy. I will use this one to have a last. Come on,
Report you.
the people in my road, them are full of chat.
What do they have in there, you know?
Well, that's good, isn't it? One of them.
Why do you need it?
To take my own picture.
Oh.
Sometimes it's a struggle. Oh, and I know if I control them pick me when.
Actually, God, they put it over here, you know?
Me too.
Isn't it?
Me like the sun.
Yeah.
Well, me not like being in the sun.
You see, no barbecues.
Oh,
Suspended in Burgess Park.
all right. We don't have to tell them which way we're doing. Look at the kids enjoying themselves. Aww, so cute. She's still loving me, and I can show it tonight. Hey, I mean, I'm having a lovely time. A lovely time. It's a nice day. Look, so bright. Look at the organizer. All right, me don't know. Sometimes me don't know what do your finger them. Here's the cat. Oh, there's a bear. Aww, so cute. Cutesy, cutesy.
Asking you, Louis calling you. Is it easy to order on 15 meal?
Yeah.
It's
They
just like
said they teeth from your card. Is that true?
no.
No, they never
They
did.
they don't teach PayPal or something.
Yeah, you can or
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm scared of.
What she can't do? That's okay. I want to play the one pack. Body life. Thank you. And see the food that you can play. Live without you. I just can't live without you. What's that? Alright, y'all tell it. Yeah, cause that is just an hour.
You must die. Him and the boy Julio, them a die. The little youth cannot say it.
This one? What TikTok one do you know then?
the Jamaican TikTok.
Ready?
I go round and round. Hey, 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 circle. Hey, bigger circle. Bigger circle.
Nobody. One day. Ah, like me. Go get the second done. It all run. It all run. It all run. My gun. I'm done. Get on.
Hey guys, I just got in from the park. Oh my god, the park life. I thought it wasn't for me, but it was so much fun. And thanks to my girl Antoinette for organizing it. It was so amazing. I have so much fun. Listen, all the things that I carry there, I carry almost everything back because there was so much food. Entertainment was on. So now I'm exhausted, I'm tired. All I need to do now is have a bath, go straight to bed. So guess what, I'll see you in the morning, or I'll see you when I see you. So guess what, peace out. Hi guys, welcome. Happy Sunday. So today's Sunday, as I said, and tomorrow is my anniversary, but tonight is date night. So this is my outfit for the night. My machina bag with my trainers, machina, and a white outfit like I'm gonna get married all over again. So you know what? See ya.
To do K, got the 7:30 train into Millbank, did K at 8:30, gave them a phone out at 8:41, and they had a taxi waiting for me outside, got a taxi, got to Paddington for 9, got to 9:80.
Hi guys, welcome. Happy midday. Today's Monday. Today is about 12 o'clock. You know, it's last night we went out for my anniversary, and trust me, it was so good. I overdid it. So I'm still in bed trying to recover. I woke up from morning. I keep vomiting. My head is hurting. And I'm tired. I didn't even go shopping because I'm not a drinker, but last night I was just in the mood. So now, I'm so sluggish. But you know what? I'm trying to, I'm drinking this, can you see this ginger shot? So it can settle my tummy. And then I think I'll be fine. I'll get up and find something to eat. And then I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and then start a fresh vlog. I was supposed to go out with my friends today, but I'm not in the mood for that, so I guess I change it to, right, let's change it to Tuesday. Well, let's see how it goes. Anyway, you know what to do, yeah, try it. Not even try, please support the girl. Watch this video, give a thumbs up and leave a comment. So you know what, peace out, and I'll see you.